guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see how I applied this wig, just continue to watch. So I've slicked my hair back into a really small bun, but I've done one plait and wrapped it around. Most people have their hair in braids for this, all back, but I've decided to just do the quick way and just slick it back and then plait it. Then I'm applying my Got To Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel. I'm sure you guys have seen this. The black one is stronger. There is a yellow one as well, but the black one is better for better hold. And I'm applying this on my forehead and the sides of my face kind of thing, where I'm going to be sticking the wig onto basically. And I'm going to wait for this to get a little bit tacky before actually sticking the wig onto it. So I'm going to let that air dry naturally while I show you guys the Ririhair. So this is the box it came in. Ooh. So this is the brush they gifted me with it. And this is the wig. It is Brazilian virgin hair, 12 inches. It's natural hair colour. So it's like a brown, like a 1B brownie colour. And it's a 4.5 inch part lace front wig, middle part, but I guess you could stick it on if you wanted side part. And yeah, so this is the elastic band that you can use to adjust it to make it tighter if you wanted to. I've already kind of cut it and tried to style it before, so that's why it looks crazy like that. So now I'm just going to cut it and make the lace look a little bit more even. Once I'm done cutting, I'm grabbing my foundation with a sponge and I'm going to be dabbing it onto the parts of the lace that really show, just so that it matches my skin colour and so that it's not too dark or too light, so you can really tell that it's a wig. We want this to look as real as possible. So I'm just dabbing that in. So now I'm applying the wig. I'm basically bringing the lace front parts onto the part where our glue was applied, and by now it's definitely a bit tacky, so I'm just sticking that down onto the glued part, and then I'm going to tie it up so that I can really stick this stuff down properly. So I'm grabbing the glue again and I'm applying it underneath the lace where the lace is going to stick, and then I'm also applying some glue on top of it as well to really ensure that it's stuck down properly and correctly. So now I'm just blow drying that to make sure that the glue sticks down all day, and as long as I want it stuck down for until I'm ready to kind of take it off again. My blow dry looks really crazy because when I purchased it I brought the wrong comb end to it, so I just had to tape it down and I've been using it like that ever since. But yeah, I'm just literally doing the same thing with the other side now, gluing it underneath and on top to make sure it stays down, and really making sure that the lace is stuck down on it, and applying the glue on top, and then we'll blow dry this as well to make sure that it's stuck down just like the other side. So now we can take the hair bubble out because we're going to start styling the wig, and I'm just going to adjust the back and make sure that's clipped in because we don't want that to budge or move around. And then I'm going to use the brush that was gifted in the box and start brushing the wig through. And then I'm going to be taking my straighteners and literally just straightening down the wig. I don't feel like I need to section it because the hair's really silky, really soft. I can just go through it a few times with my straighteners and it, as you can see, it's just going really straight, really silky. So this is the ending results of the wig. I'm in love with it. I really, really like it. Look how silky it is. Look how the hair just moves around. I'm in love with this wig. I will definitely be tagging the description below what the link is, and you guys can make sure you shop yours. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave lovely comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.